Welcome back to the vlog. I plan on just having a shooting slash filming day today, so I figured I would just start doing my makeup. So excited because you guys are always asking for clean beauty, so I have a bunch of new Beautycounter stuff to try out. So thank you so much to Beautycounter for partnering with me on this video, and all of the products that I show in this video are going to be linked down below. I also have a discount code for you guys if you want to try Beautycounter, which I highly recommend. Packaging's amazing. The product in general is just freaking fantastic. I've actually used Beautycounter products for years, both their skincare and makeup, so many good things to try. Nothing on my face right now. I just went in with the moisturizer and some SPF, a summer essential. And then I'm going to go in with my Beautycounter Dew Skin Tinted Moisturizer. How freaking cute is this new packaging? I'm obsessed with this. Kind of blurs the lines between makeup and skincare, so you get the benefits of both, which I love. Especially great if you're going for that no makeup look. Want something really light, glowy, my skin but better look. This will definitely give you that. I actually have two shades, so this is number 3 and number 4. I think I'm gonna go in with 3 today because I don't have a tan. My favorite ways to apply this is either to just dab some on my skin and then go in with my beauty sponge, or even just with my hands. But I really like this beauty sponge also from Beautycounter because you got the curved beauty sponge, but then you also get this flat edge. I love the flat edge because then you can get into those corners that are normally kind of harder to reach, like around the nose or in the eye. But again, this is a tinted moisturizer, so it's going to give you that sheer lightweight coverage. I love the dewy luminous finish of this, especially because I have dry skin, so it gives me that built-in glow without looking like too shiny and oily. Obviously it goes on extra dewy and then we'll work it in. I do want to note, when you first apply this, it may look lighter than you're anticipating. That's actually because of the mineral zinc SPF in there, so do not fret. That will sink in, blend. I'm also going to bring this down my neck so that we are a blended queen. There's just some really good high quality ingredients in this. This is definitely optional, but I am going in with concealer just on my problem areas because I am breaking out right now, and then also just to kind of highlight those points that I want a little bit more brightness to them. So I'm just gonna actually let that sink in. Kind of a hack that I've been loving lately for makeup is just to let my skin absorb that concealer for like a minute or two. Is gonna give you a higher coverage. I'm gonna go in and start adding some color back into my face so I look alive. So first I'm gonna go in with the Beautycounter Bronze Glow Stick. Creamy bronzers and contours are just my ultimate jam. I'm so obsessed with them. The best summer beauty product. If you wanna have like one product in your purse and just on the go, I feel like this would be such a good product for that. But I'm gonna go in with a brush, dab it on the back of my hand, and then start applying this to my cheekbones. And you can obviously go straight in right on your cheek if you wanna do that. And then I'm gonna start to add some at my hairline and blending up. I love this product so much because it goes on so natural and it's like really lightweight and buildable. If I'm like going to the beach or the pool or something and I just like want a little something, but nothing crazy, then I love products like this because it looks so much more natural. For my nose, I just like to go in directly. I'm gonna darken up my lips too. But see how nicely that blends? It's almost instant. Also, if you want a little body contouring, you can just add a little bit underneath your collarbone, blend in, and it just gives you that nice glow. I love it. Before I set this, I'm going to go in with one more cream product, and this is also by Beautycounter. This is their Cheeky Clean Cream Blush. This one is a little bit more pinky. This is the shade Havana, and then this is in the shade Cider. Kind of similar, but I think I'm going to go with the shade Havana right now just because I've been really into that like pop of pink on my blushes lately. Go on the apples of my cheeks. Work my way up. Another little tip I've been seeing on TikTok lately, which sounds so weird, but it's to bring your blush up kind of like under and mixed in with your concealer, which sounds bizarre. I feel like it can look a little bit crazy, but just bring it up ever so slightly. Looks so good. And I always like to bring it on my nose just to give me some color where the sun would naturally hit. And then I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and blend that out. This color, I'm obsessed. But now I'm gonna go ahead and set this. Okay, so this is what my skin looks like after I went in with the setting powder. So I still have a really nice luminous glow to my skin. Now I'm gonna go in with a quick, easy eye. So if you're someone who likes something just really quick, easy, but looks like you spent a lot of time doing your makeup, this is what you want. This is it. So this is the Lid Glow Cream Shadow in the shade Sepia. They have a ton of different shades from like champagne to like a really pretty olive. So it comes in this little doe foot applicator. It looks super intense, but it actually blends out really nicely. So you can start off really sheer and have this nice light wash of color, or you can build it up to something a little bit more of a smoky eye. Just blend that out. Blends out super nicely into this light wash, but I just love how easy everything is to blend. You can't really mess up, you know? That's what it looks like. I'll blend it out. I swear it's even. I just have a window right here and I don't have one right here, so it always makes this side of my face look darker, but trust me. Again, I love how buildable this is. It's so pretty. I added some obviously under my eyes as well, just to kind of make the look a little bit more complete. I'm gonna apply some liner, also fill in my brows, and then we'll come back for the mascara. For mascara, I'm gonna go in with my Beautycounter Think Big All-in-One Mascara. This is probably the most beautiful mascara package I've ever owned. Like, I'm sorry, are you kidding? I love this mascara because first of all, the formula is so dark. Like, I love a carbon black mascara. It's just my favorite. Super clean formula, but it also lifts, lengthens, and gives you that volume. So get you a mascara that can do it all. Formula is also awesome because it helps strengthen your lashes over time. So good. Just like really gets in my smaller lashes in the middle really, really well. And after applying my go-to everyday lip liner and lipstick, I'm gonna go in with my gloss. And this is the Beyond Gloss in the shade Brulee. How stunning is this? Love this for every day. It's just a really pretty like bronzy pink. I'm just obsessed with this formula because it's not sticky. We love her, we stand. And this is just a perfect summer gloss. Again, it looks amazing without any lipstick or lip liner as well. You can just apply this and go. Honestly, I feel like I don't need a face highlighter just because that tinted moisturizer really gives me that nice luminous glow. I like the natural look of that. I'm gonna add just like a little bit of highlighter in my inner corner, some lashes, and we're done. This is the finished look. I am so obsessed with it. I love all the glow. Anything that makes my skin look glowy but not like overly oily is chef's kiss. And also all the skin benefits in this, like, come on, come on. But I will link all of the Beautycounter products that I use in this tutorial down in the description box below, along with all of the exact shades and everything. They give you the most glowy, beautiful, buildable look. I mean, if you haven't tried Beautycounter products yet, I highly recommend. They also make amazing skincare as well. Here's also what the finished makeup looks like in front of the window because whenever I film over there, like, it looks good for a while, but it is a really gloomy day. We have some mail to open. I may have already opened the first one because I just got really excited. Anytime I see I have some mail from a publisher, I just freak out like no other. So exciting. I still can't believe like publishers and authors now send me their books. Sometimes, I mean, I've only got like a handful, but honestly, it blows my mind every time. This one is a book called Falling by Tj Newman. I've never read any of her books before, but I think this is a thriller, which I haven't read in a while, but you know, I love me some thrillers. That's where I got my start reading 2020. But this one sounds terrifying. Oh, it's apparently soon to be a major motion picture from Universal Pictures. You just boarded a flight to New York. There are 143 other passengers on board. What you don't know is that 30 minutes before your flight, your pilot's family was kidnapped. For his family to live, everyone on your plane must die. The only way the family will survive is if the pilot follows his orders and crashes the plane. Enjoy the flight. Maybe not the best book to bring with you on an airplane. Will I be reading it though? Yes. Consider me intrigued. Clothing that I got. Ooh. I've been really into like pink and purple lately. I don't know what came over me, but Camila Coelho came out with some new pieces that are all this color and they're so pretty and just scream summer to me. So I obviously had to. I feel like it looks really good with a tan. I don't know, lately whenever I wear lilac, you guys are always like, that's your color, you need to wear that more. So I'm leaning into it. I said, okay. The texture is incredible. Ooh, I love the shape of this. Yes, I can already tell by the cut of this that it's gonna be super flattering. I got another swimsuit, totally different vibe. This one's from Tularosa. I love the pattern on this and just like the shape because I always like need like an underwire of some sort. So this one's kind of like a nice mix of both. And then I thought the top was really cool because you got that like cinch detailing. Then these are the bottoms I got. These aren't the matching ones, but I liked the cut of this one more. A little bit more cheeky, but still matched it. And I thought it was really cute, like the cinch detailing. This might be a little big, but we'll see, we'll see. Oh, I love the material. The material's not what I expected. It's so much better. Like so silky. I've been wearing my very small micro top, plain black. I've been wearing it for the past year nonstop with an oversized blazer, either with trousers, jeans, shorts. So I figured I needed like a new micro top. Hopefully this one fits. I got a small. Normally I get an extra small in my tops, but I just couldn't tell with how this fits. So I'm gonna have to try this on, but maybe I'll wear this tonight to dinner because this is so freaking cute. Again, this is another Camila Coelho collection item. This is a skirt. I could honestly wear this swim top like as a top with this because the colors are really close. I feel like you could honestly wear this to the beach with this as like an elevated cover up. Also got some pieces from Abercrombie. I've honestly just been needing some more basics. Like I keep gravitating towards the same types of tops and like formulas, and I'm really trying to make my closet something that I wear like every piece I'm really into and wearing a lot. So I decided to try some new pieces out. So I picked up this top. It's actually really soft and stretchy. I'm not sure if it's like cropped enough for me, but we'll try her on. Oh, looks like I got more pink. Definitely cute, but I can already tell I got the wrong size. I'm very new to Abercrombie. Okay, so I'm trying. Oh yeah, I forgot this was the only size they had left in this top. I think I need to switch up my sizes. I got this oversized top in a small because everyone was like, don't go too big. Normally, even if it says oversized, I will go a couple sizes up in a top because I'm like, no, it's not actually not oversized enough. Everyone in the reviews was like, go 2 sizes down. So I ended up only just getting my normal size because I'm like, I don't know about that. I feel like I could honestly go 1 size up. I'm gonna have to try everything. Let's try some stuff on. Swimsuit is an A+. I'm obsessed with this color. I feel like it's so flattering. I'm not even tan right now, but it makes me look tanner than I am. So I am so here for that. I think this weekend's supposed to be super nice, so I'm definitely gonna wear this to the beach. But this is what the skirt looks like over the swimsuit. Honestly, it could be a vibe for a swimsuit cover. And then you can also like kind of bring this down and have the bikini like peeking out a little bit. I feel like a mermaid and I'm definitely here for it. And the texture of this is an absolute dream. Everything from this haul, by the way, is gonna be linked in my bio on my Instagram. It'll just be under my Revolve favorites. I'm obsessed with this micro top. I think it's perfect. I feel like I could have gone 1 size down, but I don't know if it's worth it for me to like go and exchange it. So this is what it looks like, and it's a halter top with a little string. And then the back is just this elastic. So honestly, it's really comfortable, but the texture detailing is just so fun. I'm not sure how I feel about this button up, button down. I feel like I could have gone 1 size up. See, I do not trust the reviews sometimes because it said to go 2 sizes down. I went with my normal size and this is where it got me. And then I did get these pants also. I forgot to show you that I'm not sure on. Also from Abercrombie, but more of like a light gauzy type of pant. I don't know. I feel like for some reason this material get the vibe that within 1 wash, it's gonna be super crinkled and lay really weird to the point where I'm not gonna wear it much. And I feel like it's gonna shrink a lot. I don't know. I've just had clothing in this material before where once you wash it, it doesn't really look that great. So it's like, that is not a good investment piece. I actually do like this top. I wasn't sure how I was gonna like this neckline because I'm not normally like a sweetheart neckline kind of gal, but the straps on this are just so fun. I love a thick strap for some reason. From afar, this kind of looks like a ribbon. It's cute and it's actually really soft, and I could scrunch this up so it's not super long. I was worried this top was gonna be like really long. Which technically, I mean, you can make it like that, but it does scrunch up. I think this one's a keeper. I really like the color as well. It's really soft and comfy. I'm just gonna style it with some things that I already have and see if I want to keep it. Okay, this was the top I was really like anti because I thought it was gonna be way too big for some reason, but I mean, like it kind of is, but also not really. I don't know. I need to definitely style this with things that I own because I really do like the material since it's a little bit more silky, so it's more fun for like dressing up. Maybe with my taupe colored trousers, I feel like this could be a vibe. Honestly, maybe even for tonight. We'll see, but it's actually really comfy. I don't know. Like I was really not expecting to like this one. I was like, I don't even want to try this on. What do we think? I'm kind of into this color though. I feel like it's just a fun color. I think this is the last top besides the other swimsuit, but I'm not gonna try that on right now because it's getting dark. This one's cool though because you can like really customize however many of the clasps that you want in the middle. So you can just have like, I have 3 on right now, but you can choose honestly whichever ones you want, which is kind of fun because then you can get like a different top. Like here's what it looks like with only 2 clasps. I don't know if I want this size though. Hopefully they get it back in stock so that I can stock up on some other tops because I think I want this one in black too. I feel like that'd be really cute. Now I'm excited that I have somewhere to go tonight though because then I feel like I just want to wear my new clothes. Me always, I just want an excuse to wear them, but I need to figure out what I want to wear though because it's still gloomy. I'm like, it's a really casual place though, so I don't have to get like crazy. Well, it's not that casual. I don't know, it's like LA casual. I actually haven't been to this place in so long, but tonight I'm getting dinner with Jill and Shelby because Shelby's actually in town this week, so we're so excited to get dinner with her. I haven't seen her literally in so long. That'll be nice to catch up and get some grub. I need to figure out what I want to wear though. Cheers! The gals. The gal. I know. Shocking. Had to get the corn, obviously.
There's nothing like street corn.
No, there really isn't.
Okay, got a blonde center table because the hostess watches Shelby's channel.
Yes, queen.
Shout out to that girl. So
She's a gem.
I've actually never tried blonde before, so
With the pour.
should we do like a drizzle?
Yeah, do a drizz.
It's eggnog or something like
Vanilla
that.
based
Yeah.
eggnog.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh, I'm so excited for this.
Yum.
Let's try.